For all of this stuff in the junkyard, it cost me. There you go. I wasn't even recording. Look. It's been too long since we could say we are going.
It's been a long day without the junkyard.
To the junkyard. What you gonna get?
Well,
nothing.
I'm looking for parts. You're not gonna shoot? Nothing?
You are not gonna get nothing.
I'm looking for parts for a little project car that Mr. Wrenchettes is gonna do.
P30XI.
P46. White and purple.
This is, to me, like this is one of the best choices. What, the Jeep? Yeah. You have a Honda Element, a Mercedes. It's not bad. I have a Del Sol, is it? Chrysler. Lexus over there. Another Chrysler, and then the Jeep. Look, another Dodge Charger. A transportation plate. Look what they have here. That's a Charger. Nice. There was a time that I wanted this truck so bad, but it was too expensive. And look where he's at right now. Look how life turned things around. Now it's a junked SUV. Ain't that something? Okay, so I found an Infiniti. May it rest in peace. I'm trying to see if it has like Brembo brakes or something. But nope. No, it does not. What's inside? The window is actually tinted. I actually need the motor for this window, but I'm not sure if I should buy it used or if I should get it from O'Reilly's because I have lifetime warranty. So you can see it's all messed up in here. They have more parts in the back here too. They have the door right here. I almost fell on top. It's on the parts. Oh, look at the bumper. Let's see how the bumper is. Oh. Oh no. See, if I could get like a bumper that's in good shape, that's gray, I would take it and sell my other aftermarket one. As you can see, this one is clearly busted. I was gonna take it like the plate holder, but it doesn't even have that. This thing is muddy today and watery. Like everywhere is watery. Look at that. Some of the cars here. Engines apart there. Lots of cars stacked up. Sad scenery. All of this car had a chance if they would have had a responsible owner. so here's what I got in the junkyard. This is everything that I got. First off, I got the mirror right here for the G35. As you guys may remember, they broke my mirror. Ain't that a bitch? And it turns out it was some kids fighting on top of the car. They actually got on top of the car, as a security guard told me, and he was the one that took them off of my car. And when he saw me, he told me the story, but it's cracked here, and of course that doesn't look good. I'm most likely going to use this mirror for the Vador, so I had to get it. So this is what I got, and it's the same color as my car, so that's
a great success.
That's one. And what I got here is a couple of size 10 bolts for the Montero Sport, because these critters right here, like these ones, tend to break easily. And I have a couple of them broken, so you can see they all rusted. I'm gonna throw these in vinegar. Hopefully they get cleaned. So if I can keep it as original as possible, then that's what I'll do. These are for the Infiniti that I think like one or two of them got stripped out. So I just got these just as a backup. This is for the driver's side door handle, I think. And this is a wire separator, like for the coils. That one of these is missing on my truck, so I got it. And the big thing that I got was this right here. This is a bumper diffuser, and it's the carbon fiber version. You can see it's real carbon fiber, because if you look at here, it is cracked, but you can see like the fibers. So it is the real expensive one. This brand new costs $150 on eBay, and I got this on the junkyard for $15. For all of this stuff in the junkyard, it cost me 30 bucks. The mirror, the bolts, the assorted things all cost me $30. So yeah, I think it was a pretty good deal. So if you like this content, please give me a like. If you're new, consider subscribing, because there's more things to come for 2019. Peace out, and until next time.